Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribed. Just click the red subscribe button down below and the bell beside of it so that you can get notified every time that I upload a new video. So today we are going to be doing some more decluttering and organizing. I've made a list here on my notebook of a couple places that I want to get done today. We're not really decluttering and organizing any specific room. I just have a couple of closets and cabinets throughout the house that I want to declutter and organize today. So on my list here, the first place that I have is the laundry room cabinets. The next place that I want to go through is the hall closet, and then the spare room closet, and then I have this one kitchen cabinet underneath my coffee station that I want to go through. So I only have 4 places written down here, and if we get all of those done, then I can add a few more places to my list. So let's just get right into this video. We are going to be starting with these laundry room cabinets. So I went through both of the laundry room cabinets and just did a quick declutter and organize. I just had to get rid of a few things, get things a little bit better organized in here so that I could find them better. On the very top shelf, I just keep extra items. The second shelf is almost basically empty. It just has my 2 dusters on. On this bottom shelf, I just have some extra cleaning products. And then in this little bin from the Dollar Tree, I have the attachments for my vacuum, for like my cordless handheld vacuum. And then I also keep some extra claws for the mop in there. This second cabinet is just a bunch of random things. I guess the bottom shelf has a bunch of my laundry products on it. Keep the hair clippers in there, bug spray, all that kind of stuff. I also have these 4 black containers from the Dollar Tree up here on these shelves, and I only have stuff in the bottom 2 right now. The one has all of my cleaning cloths, and then the other one has all of the stuff for the dogs. So now we can mark the laundry room cabinets off of the list, and now it's on to the next thing on the list, which is this closet back in the spare bedroom. I've got 2 garbage bags, one for trash, and then the other one I'm going to put stuff in to donate. And then I've got these 2 boxes from Simply Self Storage that I'm going to be packing some stuff into to store. And Simply Self Storage is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. Simply Self Storage is the secure self-storage solution for any space requirements and budget needs. Their offerings provide greater control over where and how people store their belongings with the necessary flexibility to meet individual criteria, offering moving supplies and more than 200 locations nationwide. Simply Self Storage can help you find a sense of balance and order in your life. So some neat things about Simply Self Storage is that you can get the first month free. There is no credit card needed. They're flexible and free to reserve online. They have convenient locations. They have great year-round promotions. They also offer packing supplies, which is really awesome if you're getting ready to move, and something that I will definitely consider if we ever move in the future. And also it's just great if you're like decluttering and organizing like I am and you just want to pack a bunch of stuff away in storage. You can get your boxes and packing supplies. These boxes here from them, they're really good quality boxes. Sometimes you get some boxes and they're just, the quality is terrible, like you feel like the stuff is going to fall out of the bottom of them, but these boxes are really awesome quality. They also have 24/7 camera surveillance, individual access keys, and auto pay convenient payment options, which is really nice if you're in like the process of moving and stuff. It's ideal for small businesses. They offer competitive prices. They provide climate controlled units, which I thought was really neat. Like if you live down in the south or somewhere like that, that is something that is vital, is to have a climate controlled unit. So I will put the link for Simply Self Storage at the top of the description box down below so that you guys can go and check them out. So I'm just working on getting this closet decluttered and organized. I'm just moving shelf by shelf, going through everything, getting rid of stuff that we don't need anymore. There's just so many random things stored in this closet in this spare bedroom. I've got some of my stuff stored in this closet from when I was a kid, and I've got my American Girl doll Kaya stored in here. This was probably one of the best gifts that I ever got when I was a kid. I wanted an American Girl doll, and this specific American Girl doll so bad. So in this garbage bag is everything that I'm throwing away from that closet. Not too much, but at least a little bit. And then this bag is stuffed full of things that I'm going to donate. So that is awesome that I got so much stuff out of there to donate. The next area that I just want to quickly go through is this cabinet below my coffee station. I just need to go through some of this stuff. I know that I don't need some of these items that I have in here, and I could also have them better organized so that I can fit more stuff in here. It just needed gone through really quickly. It was nothing fancy. I just quickly went through everything, got rid of a few things, and then organized everything back in there just a little bit better. And I also pulled out the drawer up there. I pulled out the drawer to find something in it, and I was like, this drawer is so unorganized. I just need to go through it while I'm in the organizing mode. So I just quickly cleared out the drawer, wiped it out, and then organized stuff back in there. The last thing on my list was to clean out and organize this hall closet, and this closet is so bad. It's so embarrassing. I don't know how many times I've cleaned out and organized this closet in all of the years that we have lived in this house. There's always just like, at least for me anyway, there's always that one closet or that one cabinet that you just can't seem to keep organized. No matter how many times you organize it, give it a few months and it will be unorganized again. That's how it is with this closet. But I really just wanted to clean out this whole thing, get it reorganized, because this is where I store all of the school supplies for Kyle. So I wanted to go through and see what I had to see if I needed to get anything before we start kindergarten here in September. So I put everything from the shelves in that closet out onto the floor out here, and after I put it all on the floor and I walked out here to start going through it, I had one of those moments of like, what did I just do? Do I really want to go through all of this? And I just really did not feel like doing it, but I just sat down and got into it and went through it all, and I was able to throw away and get rid of a bunch of stuff. So I finally had the whole closet decluttered and organized. It was quite the job, but I'm so glad that I got it done. It definitely doesn't look professional or anything, but at least I can find stuff now. On this middle shelf, I have all of the stuff that I can use for homeschooling. I have the boys' coloring books. The next shelf is like some craft stuff. At the bottom of the closet on the floor, I have like gift wrapping supplies and party stuff. And these little multicolored containers, the green and the blue ones, are from the Dollar Tree, and they're really good quality. So I definitely recommend these. I have like Kyle's pencils and stuff in here. And here is a look at my bag full of garbage from all of the areas that I decluttered today. So I'm pretty proud of myself that I'm throwing away this much stuff. I hope that you enjoyed today's decluttering and organization video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to go and check out Simply Self Storage. I will have the link for that down below in the description box. And I hope that this video gave you lots of motivation and inspiration. And I will see you in a few days with a brand new video. Bye.